Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem on number theory and remainder. Here is the problem. Find the remainder when 18 factorial is divided by 437. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share answers in the comment. Then we explore the solution together. Let's get started. Consider the expression of 18 factorial, which is the product of all positive integers from 1 to 18. It is possible to pair each of them from 2 to 17 with another number such that their product is congruent to 1 modulo 19. The pairs are 2 and 10, 3 and 13, 4 and 5, 6 and 16, 7 and 11, 8 and 12, 9 and 17, and 14 and 15. This means that 18 factorial is congruent to 18 mod 19, which is congruent to -1 mod 19. It is a special case from Williams' theorem which states that for a prime number p, the factorial of p minus 1 is congruent to -1 modulo p. In our case, 19 is prime and 18 is 1 less than 19. So according to Williams' theorem, 18 factorial is congruent to -1 modulo 19. Through long division, we confirm that 437 is a composite number where 437 equals to 19 multiplied by 23. We already know from Williams' theorem that 18 factorial is -1 modulo 19. What about 23? We then note that 24 is congruent to 1 modulo 23. Following this, the factorial of 18 is congruent to the factorial of 18 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 modulo 23. Now, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is congruent to -1 times -2 times -3 times -4. And note that -1 is congruent to 22 mod 23, -2 is congruent to 21, -3 is congruent to 20, and finally, -4 is congruent to 19. So combine 18 factorial and 19 times 20 times 21 times 22, leading to 22 factorial. Ultimately, this product is congruent to -1 modulo 23 in accordance with Winson's theorem. As 18 factorial is congruent to -1 modulo 19, and similarly, 18 factorial is congruent to -1 modulo 23. Since the largest common divisor of 19 and 23 is 1, we can use the Chinese Remainder Theorem, which allows us to combine these two congruences into a single congruence modulo the product of 19 and 23, because the modular are coprime. Therefore, we deduce that 18 factorial is congruent to -1 modulo the product of 19 and 23, which is 437. Finally, since we are dealing with congruences, and -1 is congruent to 1 less than the modulo, we conclude that 18 factorial is congruent to 436 modulo 437. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you found this video insightful and are excited for more mathematical challenges. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.